Right, let's solve more proportion problems. Okay. Again, try to solve these without cross multiplication. So until we figure out why cross multiplication works. Okay. Let's erase that. So first of all, find the sufficient number. So sufficient number here will be 7. So which is the sufficient ratio is not lacking anything. And this one is lacking k. So since we are lacking, the top is also full, we're going from top to down. So we're going to go from sufficient to down, up, down. So 7 times what? Times a number would give us 3. So to find that number, we divide both sides by 7. So 3 over 7. So if this happens, then 35 times a number, the same number is going to give us k. So since we already know n, we just substitute 3 over 7 equals k. So I know we can simplify this and divide by 7, but I want you to write it like this. So that will help us eventually know why this works for cross multiplication. So 105 over 7 equals k. So if you divide that, k is going to equal 15. And that's it. All right, next, another one. Okay, again, you can pause the video and try it first on your own, and then you can check your answer. So the sufficient number here is 2.5. So it's 2.5 is down, so we are going from down up this time. Okay, so we're going to ask 2.5. If 2.5 times a number equals 1.4, then 25 times that number is going to equal g. So solve the equation here to find what n is then. So n is going to be divide both sides by 2.5. So it's going to divide both sides by 2.5. So n is going to be 1.4 divided by 2.5, which if you simplify, you can get n equals, you can have 14 over 25 if you want, or 0.56 if you make it decimal. Oops, sorry. Okay, let's go this up. Okay, so 0.56. So n equals, you can use that decimal, that's okay. Okay, so bring that down again. So then, over here, so 225 times 0.56 equals g. So multiply that, you get what? 14 equals g. All right, in this one, you can tell your sufficient number is 8. So we circle 8, and since 8 is up, we're going to go down. So 8 times what number would give 14? We can tell the number is going to be 14 divided by 8. So which is, if you simplify, you get 7 over 4, or 1.75 if you wish for decimal. Then this side, going from up down, 4 times the same number is going to equal k plus 3. All right, so we know that number now. So that number is 1.75, or rather, let's use the fraction again to help us. Write that. All right, so it's going to be n is 7 over 4 equals k over 3. So 4 times 7 equals 4 equals k plus 3. So 4 times 4 once and 7. So we're gonna if we simplify that, we get what? So 7. We can actually, all right, 4 times 7 is 28. Sorry, I had a, okay, that's 28 over 4 equals k plus 3. And 28 divided by 4 is 7. So 7 equals k plus 3. Then we can subtract 3 from both sides. Put this up. Subtract 3 from both sides. So we get k equals 4. Already,